game.
Hey yo, what?
You gonna play? Are you gonna play?
Oh, get out of my house. Weird.
Or are we gonna play?
Hmm.
I'm just gonna be waiting outside.
God, I'm trying to get abs on internet 4-pack. Trying to get more by eating cereal. So, I'm just hungry. What's your shiny Twitter's other account? Cheers. Cheers.
Get away.
Huh?
Tell this kid to get away.
Get! Go in the front!
What are you going to do?
Huh?
He's annoying.
What? Looks like Pennywise. Yeah, look at my throat. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh. See, I just ate breakfast. My house is early in the morning. I mean, Hawaii is early in the morning. Yeah. Kualani Village. Kapolei Kualani Village. Going out on one summer break. I'll go to my friend. think Derek would. So yeah, been a hard time in Hawaii, Koilani Village, Kapolei.
I was in front of your door. You were on your Xbox today.
No. So why did I see Christopher Hazard online? Who's playing us? Oh, is that a bubble? Let's go, guys. That might be a ball or a bubble. I do not know, but it might be a ball. Oh no! Don't pop! Oh, spiky ball. Yeah, spiky. God, look at God, look at me go!
What bubble is that?
It's not a bubble.
That ain't a bubble.
This is a wobble bubble.
Let me check it.
Oh no, it's a ball. Oh my God, look at them go!
You're recording. You're recording.
Yeah, thanks.
Just come to my house because. Wait.
I kicked it.
Come to my house, Christian. I'm gonna play before I leave again. Let me come here.
I'm calling Derek.
Oh no.
I need Derek, guys. I need YOLO, boys. Yo, Derek.
Yeah.
Coming?
Hold on.
Look at the vloggers. Look at the vloggers. Come here. Look at the vloggers. He doesn't want to look at you guys. Sorry. Oh, it stinks. Smell him. Yeah, it stinks. Okay, now what are you doing, boy? Do you break a glass? Like, bruh. Hit myself now.
This isn't glass.
No, look. That is glass.
No, this is glass, but you said, did you break the glass or something?
Just come outside. Come on. Are you guys okay? I hope you're smiling. I hope you're diving on the minute. I hope you're working hard listening to your teacher. Because I don't. I did not, but there's this strange stuff. Yep, you play. I never seen him play. What does he play?
Like, I don't know. He has to, like, escape a prison.
Okay, let's go. Hey, Derek! Derek. Bro. I'm about to go throw this at him. Throw this at him. Sit up. Do it. I'll do it.
He didn't even hit me.
I can
That's
hit.
how-
I can hit your car. I hit your car.
No, you didn't. It would make a noise if you hit.
Oh, go shy. Squishy Chicago.
I'm trying to get him out of the doorway.
I hate Justin Bieber. And if you guys hate Justin Bieber, comment down below. And if you guys like J-pop much better, hit the notification if you want to be on the team 12. Goodbye. I'm just joking. Comment down below if you like this. Comment down below if you're on my
Oh, I
team.
see a rainbow in this juice.
Where?
Can you see it? Probably not.
Bro, I see a rainbow.
Like right there.
Bro, there's a rainbow. It's a dark rainbow. In his juice. Looks like he's eating cavities. I mean, drinking.
Orange juice. If I would be drinking cavities, it would be called cavity juice.
If you guys are part of my team, hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you're on my team and if you like this video. And like, if we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will go to the park with you guys. Wow, go somewhere else with you guys. Chuck E. No, not Chuck E. Cheese. We can go to the park. I can go take you guys to my football practice. Was I going back in football? Yeah, good job, baby. Holy shoots. I am strict. And we hit 5,000 5,000 likes. I would do something. I'll take you guys. I will tell your mom or dad to fly out to Hawaii, go to Copley Elementary School, and then
Team 12 gangsters.
and then go to Kulani Village. It's like right next to the Copley Elementary School. That's where I go. And yeah. Whoop.
Dab on them haters.
Whoop. So yeah.
Please dab on those haters who do not like.
Dab on them haters. They don't
Dab
like
on them
me.
haters who don't like this guy and this guy. Me.
Come here, my mom is home. My mom is home. I have to be home fast.
If your mom's home.
I have to dab on them haters. Ah.
Wait, dab on your mom.
Hey mom, guess what? Dab on them haters. So yeah. Guess it's getting on time.
Yeah. I don't have it. My dad threw it away. No. Yes. No. He just did. No. My dad threw my bike away. He just did.
Oh,
What? Oh.
slimy. Bros, that is slimy. It's boring. I want to do something else.
No, but for real,
Like, I'm going to tell my mom to dab on them haters.
Yeah.
Put it on YouTube. Tell her to dab on them haters.
Those are Jesse and Daddy's. Don't touch these nuts.
Yeah, my mom is home.
Don't touch Oh, that looks like kind of like Stampy. Oh, that looks kind of like Stampy. Look at it. No, for real.
What?
It looks like Stampy.
I'll pump it out. Okay, see you on the next video. Goodbye.
Oh,